The Açaí Board. This is something that's a must for every single bungalow colony, camp, and anybody who wants to enjoy themselves. Look at this. Look at this. Let me show you. This comes down to your colony. This comes down to your bungalow colony, and it's a blast. Every single flavor: strawberry, kiwi, mango, pineapple, all the toppings you need. The famous Acai. Look at this Acai, look how gorgeous it is. Comes in beautiful cups, everything you need, and kick off the toppings do. Geschmacka toppings, cream, chocolate, Dubai drizzle, chocolate drizzle, peanut drizzle, and Nutella drizzle. Chevre, I'm gonna make a cup for you. Okay, Chevre, so you come down to the camp. Stel before you come up with the Acai station to your camp. We take a cup. Let me show you the process over here. It's very cool. Open up the cover. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look how delicious this is. Get back of the Acai. Acai is not Acai for nothing. It earned the name Acai, weil es geht. To play in geht, also wie sucht. Lass mal anlegen, ein bisschen kiwi, a bisschen pineapple, mango. Get some pineapple too over here. Get some strawberries. Wow, that's a beautiful cleaned. A bisschen coconut. I never made Acai. It's actually pretty fun. A lot of fun to make Acai. A bisschen nistlich do. The chocolate chips. Some of this. And here comes the most favorite part. Everybody loves. You take the chocolate, knock out the cover, and get back. Shh. Kick me, shine. I think I've become a chef already. And then you get some peanut butter. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how nice that is. So this could come down to your colony. All the ladies can make their own beautiful, nice Acais. You can bring it to your poolside party. Bring it down to your camp. Make an activity. Acai. Bring out a couple of such booths over here. You the hacksticker. Make a contest who can make the nicest, most delicious Acai bowl. My judges, this could be out of the world. The creativity you could take with this is next level. I mean, look at this. Look how delicious it is. Pause. If they station kimt Azoi, and kimt auch in echt fancy, beautiful, and gorgeous. So if somebody wants to book it for a simcha, Acai Board, Aba mitzvah, anything, they come down in gorgeous as well, like really high end, with a waiter behind it, and you can have Acai by your simcha. It brings it up a notch. Now the summer, everybody's craving for that. The geschmacka Acai, the delicious touch and crunch and nuts. It has everything from the crunch to the fruits, to the Acai, to the dressings, to the drizzle, like they call it over here. This is just one of a kind that is a must in your colony. Chevre, es hat auch ein Hechscher für Abschleime Apfel. So, es gibt ein geschmacka heimischer Hechscher over here. Allemales. Chevre, hast du mir fragen, wie kommt ein board? Acai Board started all with these boards. Look at these boards. Beautiful gift boards. It comes in a small, medium, large, and extra large, which is not here, is a 26-inch board. These boards are beautiful for simchas. Send this over for a gift for somebody, or just buy it for yourself. It's just a beautiful board to have. Look how nice displayed it is. All the fruits and the acai on bottom. On bottom. A bed of acai, and then a bed of all the toppings on top. You can't get better than this. Look at this, a bed of acai and the fruit on top. This is out of the world. Shikasayin for a gift for Shabbos or for simcha. And each one comes with 2 drizzles of your choice: Nutella, peanut, hazelnut, or chocolate. And this is it. Wow. Every party planner's dream is that you send this over to a simcha, because to put this out, this is a gorgeous gift. Acai cups. It's a glass cup, individual for acai. Again, acai on bottom with the fruit on top with drizzle on the side. Send this over for a simcha and you'll make a statement. Wow. So you got the boards and then you got the cups, which is a level up. Gorgeous cups. And for those pina colada lovers, yeah, this flavor is pina colada. Okay, so you have the regular acai, then you have a pina colada, shells of food, the whole fruit thing with the pina colada on bottom. Something else, pina colada. And it comes in cream sickle as well. This is a beautiful gift. Have the order to your day camp, to your bungalow colony, or to your simcha. 929-884-3129. Orders at acaiboard.com, or go to the website, theacaiboard.com. Wow. Call, text, and WhatsApp, and it's at your door. Again, 929-884-3129. Call, text, WhatsApp. This is something else. Acai to the next level.